Stop recalculating sum again and again. Use prefix sum. Prefix sum is a technique where we pre-compute cumulative sum of an array. This allows us to calculate any sub-array sum in constant time big O of 1. So let's start. So first we need an array. So our original array is array equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we'll build our prefix sum array. So build prefix sum array and prefix equal to 0 into length of array. It provides a same size of array with all elements 0. So it will be prefix of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have to fix the first element of prefix sum array. So prefix of first element is equal to array of first element, and for I in range the initial point 1 and the terminal point is length of array, and prefix of I is equal to prefix of I minus 1 plus array of I, and we need to print the prefix array. Print prefix array and prefix. Now we can run this code. So here is our prefix array, and now we need to calculate the sub-array sum. So sub-array sum query. So we need to fix the left and right element. So L and right is equal to 1 and 3. If we need to calculate any particular part of the sum of any particular part, then we need to use sub-array sum. Now if L equal 0, then the result equal to prefix of R, because we don't need to subtract our previous element, because at the first element or at the 0 index we don't have any previous index. Else result equal to prefix R minus prefix L minus 1, and we need to print. I will print sub-array sum is equal to result. Here prefix I is to sum of index 0 to I, and sub-array sum equal to prefix R minus prefix L minus 1. It subtract the prefix left minus 1 from prefix right. This reduces repeated calculations super fast. Now we can run this code. So 9, our left point is 1 and the right point is 3. So 0, 1. So the sum of this part is equal to 9. Now you can solve sub-array problems much faster. Next we will learn sliding window, which is even more powerful. Thank you everyone.